guys, for today's video, I have an appointment for my eyebrows, so I will get a 70 glow eyebrow, like maybe it's like microblading, something like that, but it's so let's come with me. So I'm so excited. So, hi, this is my eyebrows. This is day 5. So, as you can see, nagpaknit na. English pa, murag kurik. So, nagmaknit na siya and I think it's getting there. So, I can't wait after 7 days or maybe 10 days. It will get better, you know. So, yeah, I think it's worth it. I believe so. I'm back! This is me, Michelle. Welcome to my life diary. So, ito na pala ang eyebrow update ko. This is day 10. So, 1 week na. At nagiging looking normal na po siya. So, how much did I spend for my eyebrows? So, I spent 2,100. I got it from Vietnam. Tapos, muntika na akong ma-scam. Kasi, after the procedure, they introduced me a serum that cost 2,000 as well. And I was like, no, I can't. Because before that, I researched the item. And it says like, after you get eyebrow done, usually it's okay. You don't put anything. Just water is enough. So it's like, I don't really need it, and that's so expensive for that one small serum. So yeah, malapit na akong ma-scam. And look, even if I didn't put serum, my eyebrows still look good. So yeah, this is my eyebrow. I really love it. It looks normal and the money is worth it. It's worth it kasi ang ganda-ganda ko, no. Oh, iba. So yeah, guys, just want to share you lang sa eyebrow na pinagawa ko sa Vietnam. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!